How do you define a portfolio and what are its key elements?
Hello, and welcome. In this video, we will be discussing the concept of a portfolio and its key elements. Whether you're a student, an investor, or someone interested in organizing your work, understanding portfolios is essential. So, let's dive right in.
What is a portfolio?
A portfolio can be defined as a collection of projects, investments, or works that are grouped together for a specific purpose. It serves as a systematic and organized representation of your achievements, skills, or assets. Portfolios are commonly used in various domains, such as education, finance, and professional careers.
Key elements of a portfolio.
2.1 Purpose and Goal. Every portfolio has a purpose and a goal that defines its underlying intention. It is crucial to identify why you are creating a portfolio and what you aim to achieve with it. For example, a student may create an educational portfolio to showcase their academic progress, while an investor may create an investment portfolio to diversify their holdings and maximize returns. 2.2 Selection criteria. To create an effective portfolio, you need to establish selection criteria for including items in your collection. This involves determining the specific attributes or qualities that each item should possess to align with your portfolio's purpose and goal. By defining selection criteria, you can ensure that the items you include are relevant and meaningful. 2.3 Content and artifacts. The content of a portfolio consists of the actual items or artifacts that are included. These can vary depending on the nature of the portfolio. For example, an educational portfolio may contain academic papers, projects, or certifications, while an investment portfolio may include stocks, bonds, or real estate holdings. The content should be carefully chosen to showcase your skills, accomplishments, or assets effectively. 2.4 Organization and structure. Organizing the portfolio is crucial for its coherence and readability. Consider the most appropriate structure to present your content. This may involve dividing the portfolio into sections, arranging items chronologically or thematically, or using categories to group related items together. A well-organized portfolio enhances the overall impact and helps viewers navigate through its contents easily. 2.5 Reflection and context. Providing reflection and context is another important element of a portfolio. It allows you to explain the significance and meaning behind the included items. Reflection can involve describing the thought process, challenges faced, lessons learned, or personal growth experienced throughout the creation of each item. Context helps viewers understand the background and purpose of the artifacts in your portfolio. To summarize, a portfolio is a collection of projects, investments, or works organized with a specific purpose and goal in mind. Its key elements include defining the purpose and goal, establishing selection criteria, carefully curating the content and artifacts, organizing the portfolio in a logical structure, and providing reflection and context for the items included. By understanding these elements, you can create a powerful and meaningful portfolio that effectively represents your achievements and aspirations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into portfolios. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Have a great day!